This is the Sony HDR-FX7, a high-definition camcorder that was released in 2006 and became popular with advanced hobbyists and independent filmmakers. The FX7 records video in the HDV format at 1080i, capturing high-definition footage directly onto MiniDV tapes. At the time, this was an affordable way for creators to produce HD video without expensive professional equipment. One of its standout features is the 20x optical zoom Carl Zeiss lens, which allows users to film subjects from far away while maintaining sharp image quality. The camera also uses 3 ClearVid CMOS sensors, which help deliver better color reproduction and sharper images compared to many single-sensor camcorders of its time. For creators who want more control, the FX7 includes manual settings for focus, exposure, shutter speed, and white balance, making it a great tool for learning filmmaking techniques. It also features a 3.5-inch widescreen LCD screen, making it easier to frame shots and review footage. Even years after its release, the Sony HDR-FX7 is still appreciated by video enthusiasts who enjoy the classic HDV workflow and the unique look of tape-based camcorders. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.